At the Shandar close-off first move party, Shahid and Alia, the star Jodi, the fresh Jodi of the amazing new film that's going to hit the screens very soon, Shandar. Alright, you know what? This is one of those Shandar Jodis that's coming together for the first time on the silver screen. And when Karan Johar's name is associated with the film, the romance has to be spectacular. I don't think anybody in my life that I ever know has seen that film so many times, so thank you.
Rest of my time.
No, now you go see Shandar.
God to me, you meet God. Nothing else, it's just God for me. I love you.
Yeah, that first move, Sunno.
Shahid, it's my dream to just click one photo with you, it's my dream. I pray for every night.
You want only one photo?
I just want one.
I thought you said only four.
No, I just want one.
Just one?
Just one.
Okay.
You don't know what you need.
Thank you. As soon as we finish the conversation, you want to come now? Can she come now? Okay, everybody, listen up. We'll get you on stage, but later on, first backstage. Okay, before I go, I will come there and I'll give you a picture.
Hang on, you guys. Let's find out a few things from Shahid and Alia about the film. But first, check this out. Check what I can do. I can touch her. That was good. Alright, so you guys please tell us about the film. What was the experience like? It looks like it was so much fun. And the chemistry looks really, really natural. So talk to us about the film. Talk to us about who made the first move. Tell us.
The first move in the film or in life?
In life and in the film.
Okay, so I think Alia is the one who is extremely, is like a hyper child, so I will give her the opportunity to speak about Shandar.
No, you have to go first.
No, please.
No.
To see start karo.
No, to see start karo.
Shandar is, Vikas' next adventure. क्या चिल्ला रहे भाई?
हाँ, Shandar is Shandar, of course, very, very bright thought, right?
Shandar is Shandar. Do we need to say anything else? Alia is Alia. And who are you?
तुम्हें करण जोहर की शो पे जाना है?
हाँ, अर्जुन.
हाँ?
हाँ? Wow.
Yes, Alia.
When did you discover this?
Really? I think, what's your name? What's your name? Your name is Shahrukh? Shut up. Seriously? Shahrukh, now that you called me, now that you said Alia is Alia, I'm going to say something that you're going to have many jokes on you, Shahrukh. Just be prepared. If you need moral support, I'll be there. I dealt with it very well.
तो चार लोगों ने हाथ उठाए, तीन को पता भी नहीं क्यों हाथ उठाया. सामने वाले मैं उठाया.
Only one girl?
Only one girl.
That's a bit absurd.
She has shouted, then I think she has fainted also. There's a girl called Tanvi out here.
Tanvi.
You are there? Is there any other Tanvi? There's a dude who's called Tanvi as well. Yeah, what's up? That dude's called Tanvi.
Oh God.
That's a cool name, man. So, there's only one Tanvi?
Only one Tanvi?
There's only one Tanvi?
Are you serious,
Are you serious?
You are...
That one now, that one is lying. She's
Okay,
putting her
don't
hand up.
change your name.
Her name is not Tanvi. Your name is not Tanvi.
Okay, what's his full name?
No, it's not. Right? It's not. It's not. No, it's
Tanvi
not.
Chhede.
Tanvi Chhede.
Tanvi Chhede. You? Tanvi Chhede or Chhede?
किसको छेड़े? Tanvi.
Are you Tanvi Chhede? Do you have an identity card? I'm just joking. Come, Tanvi Chhede. We won't show you.
Alright, Tanvi Chhede, please come on.
name is Tanvi Chhede.
छेड़ा? किसने तुम्हें छेड़ा? तुम्हें किसने छेड़ा? रांच कौन है?
रैंच कौन है?
तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड? रैंच कौन है?
कहाँ रहा रैंच? रैंच हाथ उठाओ बेटा.
रैंच have you got close to Tanvi छेड़ो? छेड़ा. छेड़ा. रैंच did you छेड़ो Tanvi छेड़ा? You did on Instagram? You're a very... I can't see your face. Come here now. Show me your face. I want to see your beautiful face. He's wearing pink also today.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है तन्वी ने रैंच को छेड़ा है. शर्मा तो ये रहा है. She
DM'd
what
you.
you?
She DM'd him.
Oh.
So that's a very clear way. She was the one to make the first move on you, clearly.
क्योंकि मुझे उनके हाथ नहीं दिख रहा है. I don't know what they are doing.
Okay,
They're all making their first move on him right now. How does it feel, bro?
Did you make the first move on with him?
Universal love. Shandar is about love. Regardless of where it comes from, take it. We love you more. Thank you so much. We love you more.
Your cup is overflowing with love. Oh. No, but you want to tell us, did you make the first move or did he make the first move? I know, but did you make the first move? Friendship first move. Can you have friendship also, yeah, guys? I made the first move on Shahid. We are friends. You already do? Okay. So you all just became friends by mistake. Okay. Facebook friends. So your Instagram, Facebook, you all are really killing it on the social networking sites.
Tanvi wants to take a selfie, otherwise she'll shadow everybody on stage.
Okay, come.
So everybody get inside this selfie. Can you see everybody? You need it personally? Okay, come. देख ले भाई, मैं दूर खड़ा हूँ, टेंशन मत ले. Come. Mr. Hegde will go back to his best friend and they will discuss how to make their first move with each other. And Tanvi has already left the building. Bye, Tanvi.
Bye. We like inviting you.
She's like, you gave me gifts, bye.
तेरा सेट है बॉस, आज तेरा
That's all
सेट
she
है.
wanted.
वो मुझे आलिया को छोड़ के जो भागी है एक क्लोजअप तेरे साथ शेयर करने के लिए.
हाँ. She really loves you, huh, bro?
तुम दोनों क्लोजअप यूज करके अपनी फर्स्ट मूव डिसाइड करना. हाँ?
It's love.
ऑल द बेस्ट. बड़ा खुश लग रहा है. ऑलरेडी छोड़ के जा रहा है ये, इसका तो हो गया.
You don't want to go to Tarun? No? You're happy here?
You're okay
so
here?
He's chilling. You're settling here.
He's feeling, look at his heartbroken.
But then it's...
He's already started flirting with the 3 boys behind. He's saying, अच्छा तू नहीं आ रहा है? अच्छा तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Alright, cool.
Thank you so much.
Vipul, thank you so much. Congratulations again, man. Congratulations, bro. Please wash your hands. I have a cold. Seriously, I have cooties. Alright, and now something extremely special for all of you in case you did not already know. Close Up has brought these stars together right here for all of us. Why? Because they partnered up with these guys for the film and they have their very own exclusive Close Up pack, which is very shandar. So you guys please go ahead and unveil it right now for everybody.
Before that happens, alright, Close Up and Shandar come together and they've created this really special pack, which is the Close Up Shandar pack, which the beautiful Alia and the dapper Shahid are going to unveil right here. But before that, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Sameer Singh, Executive Director, Hindustan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, boys and girls, Shahid and Alia unveiling the all new.
Ladies and gentlemen, then boys
Indigo.
and girls, then
Indigo.
Shahid and Alia. Means which category are we in? You call me the third category. Got
You're the
Shahid and Alia.
Shandar couple, yeah. You're on that pack. You're on the pack.
Special mention.
Okay, but
So
before we
today's special
reveal,
mention.
before we reveal, all of you do one thing for me. You all will do? Just, you all will scream Shandar damn loudly. Again. Thanks. I love you.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
It's really historic. We have never changed the close-up couple on the pack. So I think you're now on the pack. This is a great honor for us. And this will go, we sell 60 million packs at any given time. So this will go to all our people who use close-up.
I hope all these 60 million people come watch the film.
Yes, and we want our own.
Yes.
We want our own packs because this is really cool, and I'm really excited about the fact that there's a toothpaste which has my face on it, and now it has Alia's face and my face on it, and it's for Shandar, which is we never said releasing on the 22nd of October. So please go check it out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope all of you get a pack of this specific close-up pack for
Try and get close to somebody that you want to get close to.
of course the Shandar close-up pack, and I hope it helps Rancho get close to Tanvi and everybody else as well. What's up?
Alright, one last question going out to Shahid and Alia. What was it like when somebody made the first move on you in college, in school? When was that first time when somebody came up? Was it a good line? Was it a good opening line? Or was it like something you don't want to remember?
You want to make a first move? Okay, what would you say to me? Okay, now, this is your opportunity. You can't come here. From far away you would say. Okay? Say hard to get with me. Shahid. So, what would you say to me? To make your first move?
Whoever said hey sexy, that's a horrible line.
Arey, somebody give him a mic. Ishq wala love. Huh? Chillane wala shouting.
Hello? Shahid, my first move with you will be a screening of Viva with you. Only you and me.
You want to watch Viva with me in a theatre?
Yes. But baby, I am Shandar.
How will you? You will watch
You will
Shandar.
watch?
See, that's a better move.
Yeah, that's a way better move.
Viva and Shandar both. Then after Shandar.
Done deal.
हम लोग थिएटर ही खरीद लेंगे.
What?
जब मन हुआ जाके
You
पिक्चर
ride a
चालू
horse. Good one. I love horse riding. 10 boyfriends.
कॉफी.
Time
बड़ा
can be
original
friends.
thought
Of
है
course we
तेरा.
can be friends.
कुछ नया सोच. हाँ?
Acha, he knows my address. Don't say so
You
loud.
have. What? I can't hear what you say.
What?
Alia sing song.
That's too soon, babe. You need to start
You sing
dedicating
song.
for me first.
What's your name?
Too soon. I love you
Anil.
too soon. You're scaring me. Give me some.
Anil, anybody wants to listen? Anil sing. कैसे लड़के हो तुम लोग ऐसे? Be more supportive towards Anil. You want to sing, Anil? You want to sing for Alia? Will you give me my mic back? You promise? Okay, here, 1, 2, 3. Anil wants to sing for Alia. It better be a good song and you better sing well because all these guys are not interested. So make it work now. Come on.
देखा है तुझको जब से सीनों से तुम निकल गया मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे और जो भी ना कहूँ तुझे लगता है कि और तेरा हीरो किधर है तेरा बयान किधर है तेरा हीरो किधर है
Superb. Thank you, yeah. Full marks to you.
जब किसी को प्यार से देना होता है. Yes, 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 come. Come, where? तू ही है फोटो में, हम लोग को भी लिया ना. हाँ, थोड़ा नहीं.
Okay. Okay.
All right, everybody, one big Shandar to this amazing Shandar Jodi. Let's give them all the love, the luck, and energy that this becomes a massive. And also, if you want Shahid and Alia to be at your home every morning when you wake up, get the Close-Up Shandar special pack. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get a picture with everybody. This is gonna go on Instagram, so everybody. You want the stick? Why don't you just give me your stick? Give me the stick.
Did you just ask me for a stick, Shahid?
You already
I think Shahid just asked you for a stick. Do it, do it, do it. Selfie taking is very complicated. And then we will do some Q&A. So just take your pictures first and then we'll have some time for questions and answers. Alright, we're just gonna get you guys some mics. Waiting for some mics and then we will have some questions and answers. So now, जिसको भी सवाल पूछना है, please direct your question and say किसके लिए पूछ रहे हैं. Are you asking Shahid or are you asking Alia the question?
How's this Shandar easy for you? Like first move they are asking for everyone here. What's that one thing you can tell to them to make the first move? Any advice to them? Any advice for me?
How you should make the first move?
How they should make the first
How a
move?
girl should make the first move, how a boy should make the first move, how they should make the first move. They've made 73 moves by now. They're all so close to each other that we don't even know what moves are happening right now. See, they're all laughing, they all agree with me. So if you want to make a first move and not get noticed, go in a big crowd. Is that it? Arey, no, you're supposed to say no. You have to be responsible, boys. Give respect to girls when you're in a crowd. Correct?
See. First move, all want coming. You know, okay. Here's the close up. Okay, so you want to come up close and personal with somebody. You want to make the first move. You don't want to try too hard. That's what Shandar is all about. It's very easy, very simple. So even if it's like Shahid, you've got something here.
I didn't even realize. That was subtle. Well played.
There's something here.
Good job.
Yeah, I came close. Did I?
So I think if you want to make a first move, the first thing that you need to understand is that make it only if the other person is comfortable with you doing it. Don't make a move when you're not welcome.
Yes, that's most important.
That's the most important thing. That's the advice that I would give to all the boys. That make sure that the girl is interested. She doesn't turn around and slap you. So first get a little bit of information before you make the move.
Okay, I think you don't want to listen to our tips. So next question. Who made the first move?
We're talking about Shandar here, madam. Who made, in your life, who made the first move? Your husband made the move. He obviously succeeded. So obviously, मतलब जब आदमी husband हो जाता है तो success मिल गई है मतलब ऐसा prove है.
My question is to you: is you are doing the Shah Rukh Khan film with Shah Rukh Khan. What was your first reaction?
Right now, I'm only doing a film with Shahid Kapoor, and which is releasing on the 22nd of October. So the only man I want to talk about is Shahid Kapoor.
my favorite movie of
Which you have
mine,
done, huh?
which I have done. If I don't say Viva, you'll kill me. Let me say Viva.
शानदार 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 I really like it. शानदार शानदार शानदार
माय क्वेश्चन टू यू शाहिद, सुना है कि शानदार से इंस्पिरेशन लेके आपने अपनी खुद की वेडिंग प्लान की थी, इज इट ट्रू?
No wedding questions for Shahid Kapoor about his shaadi. No wedding questions. No wedding
The
questions.
role of a wedding planner.
That's what we call girl power.
What you are
She
playing?
has the power.
You know, it is a request from the media and from the fans to know who made the first move. How is it between you and Meera?
Sorry, what?
You and Meera, you know, who made the first move? No, Shahid.
It's the mic, Chino.
Alright, so the media's time is up now because they're abusing their privileges. Now we have questions from the fans.
I mean, I think my inspiration for Shankar is Alia. I wanted to work with Alia Bhatt and it was my only opportunity.
शाहिद मेरा सवाल आपसे है, क्वीन के बाद विकास की दूसरी फिल्म होगी ना मत रहा, और उम्मीदें सबको बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी, चाहे वो क्रिटिक हो चाहे वो फैंस हो, आप शानदार का हिस्सा हैं, कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए ये किताब, एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है।
Actually, शानदार जो है वो it's a very easy, breezy, fun film. If we take pressure of anything, honestly जब शानदार हम लोगों ने सबने साइन की थी, हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, तो क्वीन रिलीज नहीं हुई थी, मेरी हेदर रिलीज नहीं हुई थी, इनकी हाईवे आई थिंक रिलीज हो रही थी. सो द टाइम एट विच वी टुक दिस फिल्म अप, हम तीनों मतलब इतने एक्साइटिंग लोग नहीं थे. फिर वो साल गुजरा और सडनली तीनों की फिल्में बहुत अच्छी लगी लोगों को और अच्छा साल बीत गया, तो सडनली शानदार बिकेम अ वेरी बिग फिल्म. लेकिन हमने कभी भी शानदार को उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं बनाया है. हमने इसलिए बनाया बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली नाइस फिल्म, इट्स अ रियली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म, इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश कॉन्सेप्ट. विकास हैज टेकन अ लव स्टोरी. आई डोंट थिंक वी एवर हैड अ डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग फिल्म बिफोर. तो हमने वी जस्ट गॉन आउट एंड ट्राई टू मेक द फिल्म दैट इट नीड्स टू बी. अब वो किस फिल्म के बाद आ रही है, उस पर कितने एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, अगर हम वो सब सोचेंगे, सो आई थिंक इट विल टेक अवे फ्रॉम बीइंग एबल टू गिव शानदार द एनर्जी दैट इट नीड्स. सो वी जस्ट वेंट आउट एंड हैड फन ऑनेस्टली.
जैसे आपने जिक्र किया कि आलिया हाईवे करेंगी और फिल्में करेंगी, if she is a happy child, you said.
Yeah, Shahid, we've been shouting since when for one pick with you, just one pick. And my question, ask question. How do you avoid someone's first move? Whoa, good question.
Answer it, you want to answer? Have you learned some self-defense format कुछ सीखा है? Alia, would you like to tell her how a girl should avoid the first move if she wants to avoid it?
See, firstly, I think you have to start with being polite. You have to make it very kind of obvious from your body language and from your smile. Don't send the big smileys back. Send one small smiley. Don't ever send the kiss smiley. Don't send the hug smiley. Be little like subtle about your emotions. Don't laugh too much also. Don't stand too close. That's a rule. And if this still doesn't understand, then you know what to do, babe. Your gut will tell you. The girl instinct. You know. Okay? No, there's no deal. I'm just protective about Shahid. और यहाँ पे हम लोग शानदार की बात कर रहे हैं, और मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ जब सब लोग पर्सनल से बात ज्यादा पूछते हैं. When you be on a work front, make it more about the work. It's only fair.
You that when making of the film Shandar, how many people tried to make their first move with you?
Shahid. How many? Not many. Just an average. No. Let's keep it to the film.
Guys, what's so Shandar about Close Up? Let's talk about Close Up and Shandar, yeah? What's so Shandar about Close Up?
What's so Shandar about
You see, there are two faces on the close-up pack right now. That and also close-up being close-up, I think.
Yeah, man, I think it's great. It makes. Do you use toothpaste Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Do you make sure that you don't have any bad breath? This is what helps you do that, dude. So that's really cool. And that's what makes it Shandar. So go get it. You want a pack? Will you use it? Every day? Here you go. You want to make your first move after using this? Alright, there you go, brother. Yes!
Are you done with the questions?
Done.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright. Thank you guys so much. Shahid and Alia for Shandar. You guys be nice, be nice, be nice. Aram se, you guys please be nice.
Guys, don't push because people are getting hurt.
Relax.
Guys, move back. Guys, take it easy, don't push because the people standing in the front row will get really hurt. Move back a little bit. Get a better view. One big round of applause for Shahid and Alia and their amazing film Shandar. Wishing them all the best of luck for an amazing run at the box office.
It's out of the
Coming. I know it's really hard and I know you guys have been standing in like a big group, but thank you so much. Thank you. We love you all. And honestly,